Leaks from multiple supply chain and internal testing sources suggest DJI is quietly preparing one of its most ambitious aerial platforms yet. But what many initially believed was early Avata 3 prototype footage now appears to be something far more radical, a completely new hybrid drone widely rumored as the DJI Avata 360. The confusion began when creators spotted unfamiliar test units just as DJI's latest compact drones were gaining traction. Early images were quickly labeled as Avata 3 prototypes, but closer inspection reveals an entirely new aircraft operating in a never-before-seen dual configuration, one that merges a true 360-degree camera drone with a switchable FPV performance machine. What sets the Avata 360 apart is DJI's design philosophy. Instead of separating FPV drones, AI stabilization, and 360-degree imaging into different product lines, DJI appears to be combining them into a single unified system. At the center of this concept is a rotating gimbal mechanism that seamlessly switches between full spherical capture and forward-facing FPV flight. In 360 mode, dual ultra-wide lenses are positioned vertically to capture everything above and below the drone, delivering the coveted invisible drone effect. In FPV mode, the gimbal rotates to conceal the lower lens and expose a forward-optimized sensor designed for speed, agility, and precision framing during aggressive maneuvers. From an imaging standpoint, leaks point to dual 180-degree sensors, each capable of native 4K capture. Through advanced AI stitching, this could enable clean, stabilized 8K 360-degree video, while FPV pilots may benefit from 5K recording at up to 60 frames per second. Still photography is rumored to reach 30-megapixel standard images and 120-megapixel 360 panoramas. Performance specs suggest 128 GB of internal storage, micro SD expansion, DJI's latest long-range transmission system rated up to 20 kilometers, and around 25 minutes of flight time. Impressive given the added hardware and onboard AI processing. Safety features reportedly include forward lidar, rear optical sensors, and downward infrared sensing, while 360 mode could enable full omnidirectional awareness. As for pricing and release timing, insiders suggest multiple bundles targeting both cinematic creators and FPV pilots, with a likely launch window in late 2025 or early 2026, positioning the Avata 360 as a premium creative platform rather than a casual consumer drone. If these leaks hold true, DJI isn't just launching another drone, it's redefining what FPV and immersive aerial filmmaking can be.